Yo gang, what's happening? It's your boy B back with a brand new video, and today I'm gonna be jumping into Euro USD, only Euro USD, because I'm trying to get my revenge back. I mean, revenge is a strong word, but I've really been slacking on it. I lost, I want to say, close to 8,000. Not only on Friday, back in my trading session as well in the VIP group, I was down bad, but in the VIP group, we were able to pull back and we got some money out of that. But on my personal trading, it's been hell. So today I'm going to be tackling Euro USD. Still going to be using my strategy. I want to see if I can make better decisions real time live on here. So before we jump into the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button so you know when the new banger drops. And the most important thing, join the best Telegram channel. Best when it comes to trading binary options. Links will be in the description. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So gang, let's dive right into our chart. And as you know, I had a little bit of a, I would say, terrible trading session on Friday when I sent the video out. But today we're back and it's Euro USD. We're going to be mostly focusing on this. And as you see, the last video didn't really have that good, didn't make a single Euro USD good trade. Like all of them were just losses. So I'm coming back and trying to tame Euro USD, if you know what I'm trying to say. So I've been looking at the graph for a minute, but I'm gonna just show you quick the things that I'm seeing. So I'm not gonna go as far as 1 hour today. I'm gonna start somewhere around 30 minutes. Kind of just get a feel for how the market is going generally. The market's just open. So our first things we're looking at is we can see a price starting a little bit lower, and you can see that's probably a good thing for us, right? We're seeing that the market is kind of starting and downward trend. We can see that we are below, not below 20 yet. I know that guy says later, but it doesn't really matter. But we can see that that trend is pulling downwards, which is good for us, especially if we want to enter 1 minute and 2 minute trades. When we go back here, what else we're looking at? Pretty much seems the same. So right here, we're expecting the market to pull all the way down here. We can see market pull a little bit lower here, but I'm just gonna put that and remove this, right? And we're gonna put out support right there. And you can see we're getting close to that resistance line, but I think we're gonna go past it. So we're gonna go into right here. We're gonna go lower, I think, for 1 minute. So that's our first trade entered. You can see the price pulling up, which could be, you know, absolutely terrible in this kind of situations. We're expecting that to kind of pull back down, but in this case, looks like I might have entered a little bit too excited for that downward trend. But I mean, there's absolutely nothing signaling this huge change right here. Why don't I have my timer on? I forgot how you do this. Guys, just give me a second. Yeah, I do have timer on. It is on. So we're seeing our price. We've got 15 seconds left. We're in the money in the last second, which usually it's the opposite situation. Usually in the last minute, it feels like you're gonna lose. So we're able to take a nice little 500 profit, as you can see. So pretty much now we're just gonna see if we can wait for it to touch support, because right here you can see this green candle here showing definitely the market might turn here, but you're not sure. So right here, what you're gonna do in most cases is I'll probably wait, trying to find a place to enter into a call, because I think that's the situation that the market is in right now. Even though that it doesn't touch, I kind of think that it kind of lines up right here a little bit. So yeah, this might be like a nice low call. We could enter this for a minute though. Let's see if we can see in 5 minutes. I mean, yeah, we might be able to enter a call right here for a minute. I think this might be a good place right here. I think we could easily take a minute off of this. I think we could quickly take a profit before that market start driving down. All right, same thing, that price is being pushed down. I think we're gonna finish above, just off the strength of the last couple of candles right here. But so starting with a 500 profit already feels better than what we did last last Friday. Even though I lost some money, the most important thing is I get that VIP Elite badge, which of course I hate that it's just kind of a way to show like, hey, you spend too much money on here, kind of. But at the same time, that ends in a loss for us. That's unbelievable. Okay, so we took $500 and we lost $645. Do I think that the market is still gonna continue to go down here? This is the main question. So let's regroup. Let's regroup. Yeah, it seems like we definitely had a little bit of a mistake right there. I think just you have to spam down and just look for a nice low place to enter. I think right here, I'm expecting it to pull up a little bit more. And I might just double up. I should have just got more. Oh, I think I just got one of them gems. Which is, honestly, I don't like the whole gamification of this. I mean, I've talked about it before that I don't really like the gamification of trading, like making it feel like you're playing a video game. When you're actually like playing with real money. So yeah, that's kind of crazy. But as you can see that both, I mean, it's past support right now. As you can see, both levels have been reached. So we're expecting this to pull back up at any point now. So you might watch the market if you're trading right now. What you're probably going to look at is you're expecting something like this to happen. And the next, like, you're expecting the price to move all the way here. So both trades ended up winning, but cancel. Why can't I get this? I can't get the... I'm just gonna refresh the page, guys. All right, it's better. So, first profit, nice. So we're a little bit in profit, nothing crazy, sort of, nothing crazy at all. So, most definitely. I think that we might see a situation where the market is pulling up right now. Just let me add my indicators real quick. I think they make a huge difference, if I'm being honest. Most of the time, we're not even looking at them, we're just looking at zones. I do have two moving averages. I removed the wrong moving average. So let's go right there, and I'm just do my 200. I'm gonna do EMA to save. All right, so you might be thinking the zones just because we entered into that trade, and this is way past what we signed up as our support. Sorry, my bad, resistance. So right here, we might see the, but I think that in this situation, you still should continue to go downwards in here. Because see, you're thinking about it. You can see how bold and strong this candle is. Of just the strength of this candle, I wouldn't want to enter this trade. So if I went to a different time frame, I'm just looking at 15 right here, and it's showing me that it's still down. Just expecting that kind of change in this situation It's not something that I really see happening. But you can always be proved wrong. I could always be proved wrong. So right here, as you can see, just because I was trying to find the right time frame, as you can see, we would have taken some profit off of this. But I think that once the scandal is over, we'll be able to enter into a call, and it's gonna be like a huge one. So I might go. I want to go like 1,500. So, because I think once this candle ends, you could probably enter into a call. Because I don't think that this price will break that point anymore. So we could even enter it right here. You could do it like a little bit earlier. Because I don't think that the price will definitely break here anymore. So we're expecting the price to pull up. So we've had some positives today. This is the only blemish on the record right now. If this ends in profit as well, as I hope it does, then it's been like a really, really nice little session. And I mean, it doesn't take back the huge loss that we had on this day, but I would say it's a step in the right direction. So taking it little by little, I'd rather take small chunks than didn't have everything at once. So this is so close that it's scary, but we don't get a profit. So close though. It was so close. I felt like maybe I should have waited a little bit more before I entered into a trade, and I could definitely be in the green on that one. But a couple, like 1,000, I want to say, profit. If we take out the 645, it's even less, maybe $900. But I'll run it up to 1,000. So not a great session, but not bad for a couple of minutes of work. Did you feel me? So thank you again for joining the channel. Thank you for always supporting. I mean, it's about 70,000 of y'all right now. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification button so you know when the new video drops. Thank you. It's been your boy Busy, and I'm out.